Alright, I'm going to do a before and after of the exhaust on my bike. It's a 2016 Husqvarna FE 501. Right now has stock muffler, stock cutter pipe, and I believe it still has the spark arrestor in it. And the silencer ring or something, or I don't know, whatever. But alright, now I'm going to do an after startup with the new FMF full exhaust with the Mega Bomb. It's the factory 4.1 muffler. I did put the spark arrestor in this one, and I did find out that my factory one does not have the spark arrestor in it anymore. So I don't know if that'll make a little bit of a difference in sound for stock, but yeah, so yeah, there's my before and after. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I've ridden the bike a few times now. I feel like the packing and everything is broken a little more. So I'm going to do a startup now of that.